Hello and welcome to the English We Speak. I'm Feifei.
And I'm Roy. I'm so excited. You made me so happy when you messaged me what we're doing today.
What? We're about to go into one of the most intense and important meetings of our lives. Why are you happy about that?
I thought we were playing a selection of classic board games. I brought my favourite game.
Why on earth would you bring a selection of board games to a huge meeting?
You told me in your message to bring a game. You were very clear.
No, Roy. I said bring your A game, not bring a game. Your A game is your best performance, and that's what we need in this meeting.
Right. Well, clearly I have brought my A game. And a great board game that we can play after we are successful in the meeting.
Roy, if you manage to convince everyone of my plan, I'll play your stupid game. Let's listen to these examples while we have a meeting.
Klaus brought his A game to the meeting and sealed the deal. That team won the match easily. They brought their A game. Erica didn't bring her A game to the quiz and we lost by a point.
This is the English We Speak from BBC Learning English, and we're talking about the expression A game. Your A game is your best or highest level of performance.
Yes, it's commonly used with the verb bring and a possessive pronoun like your. You're very lucky that I brought my A game to the meeting, but it really didn't seem like a truly vital and important meeting.
It was for me. I'm just really happy you managed to convince them that I needed an indoor golf course in the office. And now I believe I owe you something.
Yes, you promised to play the board game I brought with me today.
No, not that. It looks boring and I don't want to fall asleep. I was thinking of playing some golf.
Well, okay. I like golf. I'm not very good at it, so I'll have to bring my A game if I want to beat you.
You're not playing. I'll let you carry my clubs while I play as a reward for your hard work in the meeting. So don't worry about bringing your A game. Bye.
Bye.